It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Master Game System. It looks like a PlayStation 1 with some very strange controllers and a futuristic light gun. Nevertheless, it's going to be a really old school way to play. But it's kind of funny that I picked it up from a guy called Mario. So that makes it even more funnier in my opinion. Nevertheless, let's take a close look what Mario sent me. Is it any good? And is this thing worth picking up? Or is it going to be something rubbish that we have seen many times here on the channel? So when looking at the Chinese products I've reviewed here on the channel, some of them have like very hilarious kind of text on the box. But this, it may be the next level. This thing has dazzling 3D graphics, but it does have 8-bit entertainment. Nevertheless, it's just like a very bad combination. 8-bit and 3D graphics, what the hell. Then of course we're having the spectacular color and digital stereo sound. So looking at the back, I must say they did quite an effort when it comes to, let's say, the pictures and everything that is on here. Showcasing the all-famous Mortal Kombat 1, but the colors don't look like the 16-bit, so this is actually 8-bit Mortal Kombat. I did have seen some of those homebrew games, but this is the next level. Also when it comes to Street Fighter 2, and here we're even having some differences when it comes to the game cartridges and the light guns. But let's do a quick peek in the inside and let's see how good the quality of the system is. So we did have reviewed a couple of these like look-alike devices, but let's take a close look at the system because oh man, this thing looks almost similar like on PlayStation 1. The logo, come on, like they did mess it up like with some different colors, but they did have like the same kind of logo when it comes to the form factor. Master Games, reset, on and off, and of course the on and off switch and the button for opening it up. And guess what? There is a connector in the inside that we have seen many times before. At the front we do have two controller ports, and at the back we're going to get ourselves some old school AV, but stereo sound? What? There is only one for like one channel, so even on the box it's going to be a lie. I'm guessing there will be different kind of regions. This is based for the PAL region I'm living here. So let's take a close look at all the other stuff. You remember high quality controllers? This is the same stuff that we have seen before. It's a little bit more sturdy than it comes to different one. I cannot break it that easily. I've seen it like with the PlayStation 2 I've reviewed, or like when it comes to the 8-bit. It does have the original controller ports. Then we're having the needed AV cable. I think he added it himself, but this is not the original one. Then we're having the power supply. The power supply feels really lightweighted and cheap. The same that we have seen with this cheap stuff that we get from AliExpress. And the light gun. That I really wanted to try out because this thing, is it going to be any better than the original one? I noticed like with the original light gun we had some problems. Some of them are not working like it should be. I'm also curious if there's going to be any lighting feature because it looks kind of cool to be honest. Yeah. Okay, but what makes it even more cooler that we have an attachment. Look at this. Say hello to my little friend. Well, let's power on the system itself. I must say that what I do feel that the on and off switch feels like a nice quality micro switch, and it does also have like a very nice LED. So powering on, what you're going to get is the, what the hell is this for multi-game cards? Oh man, let's take a close look at, let's say, the game list. What we're actually going to get with this. That music, oh man. Olympic 2002, FIFA Soccer, Dual Diamond, Clay Shooting. So there are a lot of cool games on it that are usable when it comes to the light gun, F1 Race, Clay Shooting again, Battle City. But unfortunate, there is a, oh man, it's all double. Oh man, that's a bummer. There is not even like a Mortal Kombat or let's say Street Fighter clone lookalike game on here. That is quite unfortunate. Let's start with a FIFA Soccer game. Oh, that's actually just soccer. Right. Oh boy, that is absolutely a disappointment. But the overall image quality is not bad at all, to be honest. And the same is also when it comes to the overall audio quality. Let's take a look at some other games. Then we're having the F1 Race. So it's actually called the F1 Race. Whee! But overall, when it comes to the overall quality of the system, I am really surprised. I have seen my share of, let's say, bad products. And yeah, this thing is not bad at all. Ooh. The controller is not really comfortable when it comes to the overall quality. But it seems to be working just fine. It's kind of cool that we do have the games like Tank 9090, one of my favorite games to play, by the way. I really like this. All the sound effects are here. That's interesting. So you know what I wanted to do? Let's switch back to my CRT and let's see how this actually works when it comes to the light gun games. If that is something that's going to be working at all. Oh crap. I left the base. I left the base unprotected. Oh man. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is try the light gun on my CRT. Well, let's see if we're going to have the option to actually use this. Let's go. Oh yeah, that seems to be working fine. Come on, bring it up. Ooh. It's kind of funny that we have like so many clone systems that feel really cheap, but it actually seems to be working just fine. No. Here we goes. Oh, I missed it. Oh yeah. Let's try another game. Oh yeah. Let's go. It's because of the handle. This thing is quite accurate. Come on. Master Games. Woohoo! There we go. Another round, come on. Ooh. Oof. And I'm not cheating whatsoever. Come on, here we go. Can we finish the stage? Oh yeah. Another really interesting thing is that we can actually play original PAL games on this, because of course I already mentioned before, it's a PAL system. And I think it's pretty damn cool that we can just play your original games, and when combining with the master games, of course everything feels way cheaper and flimsier than the original system, but we can actually play it and it looks pretty damn good on my CRT. But let's play a little bit of Kung Fu. Let's crank up the volume, baby. Oh yeah. Are these turbos? Oh yeah. There we go. But one of the great things when it comes to the controller is that it feels really cheap. That's not a really great thing. The great thing is that we have turbo function and the D-pad, or actually the 4 buttons, are playing quite well. So I am really surprised how good this thing is. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Very nice. And let's take a closer look at another game. But now you can hear that the sound is not great in general. When you're just hearing to it, it sounds so weird. And I think that is the problem, because we're only having mono sound that is completely messed up. But another thing we can do is just making an upgrade to the Famicom with the adapter itself. And now we're going to play some Mortal Kombat. Yeah, there's even the turbo version. This is so bad. Oh man, that sound. Now we're playing with real power. Master Game power. I don't have the moves. I'm not playing with Raiden, I'm playing with Flash. How freaking awesome is that? Can I run really fast or what? What is he doing? What was he doing? That music, it's really bad.